welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Coinbase wallet address. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So without any further delay, let's carry on with our video. Firstly, open up your Coinbase app, and once the main tab has opened, click on the receive button. Once this tab is open, click on the I understand button and then it will directly take you to the wallet address page. Here you'll find the QR code and the address to your account. You will need this in order to receive and send the bitcoins or any other kind of cryptocurrency. So now you can let your fellow friends to scan your QR code, or you can simply tap on the copy button and you can send your address to your friends. By doing so, you can receive or send your cryptocurrency without any hassle. That's how it's done, and that's pretty much it for today. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.